You light up a subject in the studio. The lighting looks really good, but when the subject puts on his glasses, you realize that the reflection of the light source is now on the glass. When the model raises his head, you notice that the light is still being reflected on the glass. How do we solve this? It's actually very simple. All you gotta do is understand the law of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Say we have a light source and the light is lighting up the subject. The angle in which the light hits the subject is equal to the angle in which the light gets reflected off the subject. So, if you see the light on the glasses of the subject, that means the angle of incidence is hitting the glass and what you see is actually the angle of reflection. So how do we change this? How do we take away the reflection? We take away the reflection by changing our angle of incidence. So look at what I am doing in this video. To change the angle of incidence, I am raising the height of the light. And look at what happens as I raise the height of the light. As I raise the height of the light, we can see that the reflection also changes, and therefore we don't get the reflection of the light on the glasses. It's a very simple concept and it's pretty fun. Take your friends into the studio, put some glasses on and test this out. Once you understand the power of the law of reflection, you can light up any reflective subject. And that is the beauty of this concept. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, share and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.